Have you ever thought about starting your own business with minimal investment? Well, let's introduce you to dropshipping. This business model, where you sell products online without having to stock inventory, has become increasingly popular. It's a golden ticket for beginners, offering low startup costs and minimal inventory management. With the rise of e-commerce platforms like Shopify, there's a world of opportunities out there waiting to be explored. So, intrigued about dropshipping yet? Let's dive deeper into it. When it comes to dropshipping, choosing the right platform is crucial. One of the most popular choices today is Shopify. What makes Shopify stand out? Well, it's known for its user-friendly interface that even beginners can navigate with ease. It also offers a variety of customizable themes and a robust app ecosystem that can seamlessly integrate with your dropshipping business. But Shopify isn't the only player in the game. WooCommerce, for instance, is a free WordPress plugin that allows you to turn your website into an e-commerce store. It's a great choice if you're already familiar with WordPress. And then there's BigCommerce, another platform known for its scalability. It's perfect for those planning to expand their business in the future. Remember, each platform offers unique features and advantages, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your specific business needs and goals. Choosing the right platform is the first step to your dropshipping success. In the world of dropshipping, AI tools can be your best friends. These smart tools have the power to streamline a variety of tasks, taking the heavy lifting off your shoulders. From product research to customer support, AI has got you covered. Imagine having an intelligent assistant tirelessly sifting through thousands of products, identifying those with the most potential. That's what AI tools like Oberlo do. They help you find winning products, so you can focus on marketing and growing your business. On the other hand, tools like Salesforce not only help with product research, but also provide you with comprehensive market analysis. This way, you're always one step ahead of your competition. And let's not forget customer support. Tools like AliDropship use AI to provide quick, efficient customer support, ensuring your customers are always satisfied. So whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, don't underestimate the power of AI. Leveraging AI tools can take your dropshipping business to the next level. Let's take a closer look at one of the most promising platforms for dropshipping, dropship.io. This platform is designed with an array of features tailored to streamline your dropshipping journey. From the get-go, dropship.io stands out with its automated product sourcing capabilities. It sifts through thousands of products across multiple categories, identifying potential winners for your store. But it doesn't stop at product sourcing. Dropship.io also automates order fulfillment, taking the hassle out of managing individual orders. It works like clockwork, processing orders as they come in, and ensuring your customers receive their purchases in a timely manner. And let's not forget about inventory management. With Dropship.io, you don't have to fret about running out of stock or overstocking. It tracks your inventory in real time, alerting you when it's time to restock. With tools like Dropship.io, managing your dropshipping business becomes a breeze. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about promoting your dropshipping products on social media. Social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok are powerful tools for reaching potential customers. The key is to create engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Think about what they find entertaining or useful, and use that to showcase your products. Influencer marketing can also be a game changer. Collaborating with influencers who align with your brand can provide a significant reach. Finally, it's crucial to optimize your social media ads. Play around with different types of ads, test them, and analyze the results. This way, you can invest more in what works and less in what doesn't. Remember, a well-planned social media strategy can significantly boost your dropshipping sales. Choosing the right products is perhaps the most crucial part of dropshipping. You're looking for items with high demand, but not so much competition that your store gets lost in the crowd. The profit margin matters too, so consider the cost of the product and the price you can reasonably sell it for. Don't forget about shipping considerations. Lightweight, compact items are usually easier and cheaper to ship. With the right products, your dropshipping business can truly thrive. So, are you ready to start your dropshipping journey? We've explored the benefits of dropshipping, the power of platforms like Shopify, the efficiency of AI tools, and how to select profitable products. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and resources on building a successful dropshipping business. Until next time, happy dropshipping.